In this video, you're going to learn how to use the AIDA formula. And this powerful copywriting formula works for sales pages, blog posts, email newsletters, sales video scripts, Facebook ads, Google ads, and more. And this one copywriting formula will help you write all of your copy faster and help you get results that will blow you away. And if you're not using AIDA, then you could be missing out on a lot of leads, traffic, and sales. Now here's a visual of how AIDA looks. As you can see, AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. And AIDA is designed to grab people's attention and take them through your content to the point that they take action on what they've read. And this formula is virtually foolproof. I recommend that you use it for every piece of content you write because you shouldn't be writing from scratch. So let's take a look at the 4 parts to the AIDA formula in detail. Now the first part is attention, and if you want people to take action on what you've read, you first have to get their attention. And you're going to get their attention with the headline or the subject line or the video title. And in this example here, you can see subject of this email line is create highly engaging videos straight from your phone. And that's really important to have a catchy title, because the reader is going to be asking, what's in it for me? Why should I invest my time reading on? And if they don't open the email or click on the video or click on the blog post, then they're never going to buy or subscribe or whatever action you want them to do. Now the second part of the AIDA formula is interest. And once you've hooked the reader, it's time to turn that attention into interest. And if you don't hold their interest in the first paragraph, then you've lost them. So the way to get them interested is to engage them with unusual, counterintuitive, or fresh information. So in this example here, we can see that you've probably seen some different video content creation tools that have hit the market in the last 3 years, but I bet you haven't seen anything like this before. It lets you shoot, edit high-class videos from your phone. So automatically it's recognizing in this example that there are other options out there, but this one is different, and now I'm interested really to find out why and learn more about it. The third part to the AIDA formula is desire. And what you want to do now is really engage them so that they really want what you're offering. And there are 3 ways to create desire in your copy. 1 is to show the product benefits. 2 is to explain how your product can change their life or how it solves their problems. And 3 is to show the results other people have achieved, like testimonials. And in this example here, we can see not only can you pump out high quality content with just your phone, you can also leverage new aspect videos that are delivering more engagement, like 100% more engagement, 35% video views higher, 33% less cost per engagement, 78% more visibility in the newsfeed. So those are some of the benefits and really the outcomes that I could get by using this product. And here's a bit of a testimonial or an influencer reference. Even Daryl Eves, a leading influencer on YouTube with over 500,000 subscribers, is endorsing this new tool. So if the best guy or one of the best guys is using it, well, that's very interesting to me, and I want to use it so I can get up to his level. Now, the final part of the AIDA formula is action. And this is really where you want to ask them to take the next step. Now, once you've stirred up enough desire to get your prospect thinking about taking action, it's time to close the deal. And these call to actions are pretty simple statements to let the reader know that what you want them to do next, like buy the product, sign up for the newsletter, watch a video, or share your tweets. And everything you write should have a call to action after it. After all, you're creating this piece of content for a specific reason. And you can use a very clear and obvious call to action, maybe change it to a different color. Urgency is important as well. So try and put in an incentive to buy it, like it's on sale or it's a special price or something like that. So as we can see in this example here, grab your copy of this tool at the early adopter pricing. So that's an incentive. And again, which is only available for the next few days. So and that's creating an obvious call to action, click here, and it's creating that urgency as well. So that is a full run through of the AIDA formula, an example to really make it clear for you. If you're ready to get your content read more often, keep your prospects and readers hooked and drive them towards action, then use AIDA for your next piece of marketing content. You're going to be blown away by the results.